So, welcome ladies and gentlemen, long time no see, but I got a surprise from Bosch. I applied for a thing where you get a tool, you test it, you publish a video about it and you can keep it. And I remember that I did apply for it, but I didn't hear from them for a long time, and suddenly there came an email that I got selected for this program. But I actually didn't remember what tools I selected that I'm interested in. So I had to wait and see till the package arrived. And luckily it was a screwdriver. Well, you could say, man, you already have 5 screwdrivers, why do you need another one? But this is by far the most powerful screwdriver I've seen so far. And lucky coincident, I currently have a project where I have to notch like, I don't know, 100 of these tubes. And when I've done this with my biggest screwdriver that I had so far, it was struggling quite a bit and it was really annoying. It always got stuck and didn't have enough torque to drill that hole, and such a work you can't do with an impact drill like this one. That's not good for drilling, that's only for screwing, and you actually don't have a normal chuck in front of there, so you can only use these nuts for bolts. So I was very lucky and very surprised that I got this machine. And I am very happy that I have this for this use case. I don't know how I would do this otherwise, because I have, I don't know, it's like 100 pipes I have to notch, and that would be very, very annoying with the screwdriver I had so far. This one has double the torque that my old screwdriver had, so I think it should be able to handle the drilling with the hole saw into this. I don't know, I think it's 3.5 millimeter thick tubing, I don't know, and it has a diameter of 47.3 millimeters, that's a 1.5 inch pipe. So let's put the tube notcher and the vise on the table and give it a shot. Krasser Scheiß. Crazy shit. This works like charm. Awesome. Isn't this awesome? That's crazy.